Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of October, in the year 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2024, our system has ranked SoFi as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.36. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 18.06% since we first identified SoFi as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 0.82% per day, since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $8.93 would first indicate a more accelerated rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.93% over the next 3 months, with the possibility of returns ranging from negative 4.98% to positive 18.88%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decrease of 8.04% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between negative 37.50% and positive 2.88%. This corresponds to a price range from $5.39 to $8.88 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for SoFi stock after gaining approximately 0.4%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, SoFi stock gained approximately 0.4%, rising from $8.59 to $8.63. This marks a gain for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.54%, with a low of $8.46 and a high of $8.76. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by over 11% in the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 40 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $343,095,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $10.49, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price stands at 17.73%, or $1.86, below the 52-week high, and at 69.46%, or $19.63, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies continues to capture attention with its ambitious plans and strong performance metrics as we approach the final quarter of 2024. The Fintech sector is witnessing notable volatility, which casts a spotlight on companies like SoFi. Recently, SoFi introduced 2 new credit cards, the Everyday Cash Rewards and the Essential Credit Card. broadening its product offerings based on member feedback. This aligns with their strategy to enhance customer engagement, potentially increasing revenue streams in the short term. In terms of financial health, SoFi's member base has grown by more than 40% year-on-year, highlighting strong retention and successful cross-selling of services. The company's shift towards becoming a comprehensive financial services provider positions it favorably for future growth. In the last quarter, SoFi has consistently surpassed earnings per share estimates, with an impressive 11 upward revisions in forecasts over the past 90 days. This track record of exceeding expectations reflects positive sentiment and could attract more investors. From a technical perspective, SoFi recently reached what is known as a golden cross, a bullish indicator in trading. The crossing of the 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average suggests rising momentum, which may encourage additional buying interest. Analysts maintain an optimistic outlook, with some predicting that SoFi will not stay below $10 for long, indicating expected growth. As the fintech landscape evolves, SoFi's strategic positioning could lead to significant appreciation in its stock value. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SoFi a neutral grade, recommending a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Needham also rated SoFi as market perform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods rated SoFi as underperform, also suggesting a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2024, Barclays assigned SoFi an equal weight grade with a hold recommendation. Finally, on Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024, Needham rated SoFi as a buy, again with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as sell. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The chart shows predominantly positive signals today. SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be found at $8.27 and $7.79. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and thus far it has increased by 23.11%. Further upward movement is suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a buy 25 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.54 and $7.53. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this case, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $7.54. If this is broken, The next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.53 and $7.33. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved 0.3% between its high and low, or 3.54%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult phases, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $7.54. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September 2024, Schopenhauer Eric conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September 2024, Rishal Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September 2024, White Derek J. conducted an insider sale of 148,403 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 50.298. Overall, insiders purchased 8,725,446 shares and sold 27,713,307 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.30, reflecting a decrease of 3.87%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was established 24 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi exhibits several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a wise choice at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of October, we expect SoFi to open lower by approximately 0.13 of a dollar, starting at $8.62. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.